So this question here is a differentiation question where it's asking us that given y equals x to the power of 5/3, take away 10 over x to the power of 4, giving us a condition x cannot be equal to 0, find the derivative dy by dx. Now, in order to solve a question like this, it's actually a fair-forward set of steps we have to follow. The biggest one being, we have to remember that every term must be written in the format y equals ax to the power of n in order to be able to calculate the derivative of it at this stage. Because if I do that, then all I need to do is go through and differentiate term by term and remember that dy by dx equals a times n x to the power of n minus 1. Cheap way to remember it, bring the power down, reduce the power by 1. So I have to make sure my entire equation is written in that format, then I'm able to go away and do each of them on their own. So if I look at it, let's check it and make sure we've got it written. First term, x to the power of 5 over 3, no problem at all, it's written in the way we want. However, the second one, this one, isn't. We have to use our laws of indices that we've learned previously in order to manipulate and rewrite it in the format we're after. So if I take it, I'm going to rewrite it as minus 10x to the negative 4. Now that I've got it written in the format I want, what I'm able to do is just go through it term by term, take the derivatives, and make it look a bit neater. So I know then that I'm going to have dy by dx is equal, so bring the power down, 5/3 x, and then reduce the power by 1 to the 2/3. So then going to be take away 10 times, again, bring the power down, negative 4 x, and reduce the power by 1 to the negative 5. Then I just have to simplify and make it look a bit neater. So doing that, I end up getting x equals 5/3 x to the 2 over 3. Then simplify the coefficient of the second term. I end up getting plus 40 x to the negative 5. Now at this point, I could just leave the question like that. I could leave my solution like that. It's not asked for a different format. However, sometimes it might say, give your answer with positive indices. If it were to do that, I'd have to manipulate it, and I could rewrite it as dy by dx equals 5/3 x to the 2/3 plus 40 over x to the power of 5. If it asked me to do that and put that condition on it, I'd have to make sure I did that. If not, I could just leave it in the previous format that it was written in. Question like this, typically, 3 marks? First mark would be for writing it in a term we can differentiate. Second mark would be for differentiating a single term. And your third mark there would be for differentiating your second term. So there you go, 3 marks in the bags, easy peasy.